Mishra, and in last session we see the how to create a user and we how to update those users. So we saw a small journey, but uh, uh, as a when you are working on web sites, so you can see the end to end journey that user created, then you updated something and deleted. So it's a small journey, but you followed those things. So same way you can do it in API testing. How to do this thing? Let me show you. So last time we used this scenario. So a similar scenario we will use, and it we calls as A2 scenario. So here we are first creating user, then we are getting the ID of that user, then we will update the response, and then at the end we will delete. So delete user. So very similar way. So here we are creating with user this we are providing some data, we verifying that it is created, we will save the ID, and in next session we are passing this ID and updating this. So name get changed, and then we will verify we are deleted it or not. So given dot delete, and here we need to provide the ID and the path. So string dot format path we will take, and we will have to update the ID here. Then string dot path update ID. Okay, so we're changing the runtime value of this with the help of %s. This is very basic. Now delete response dot then dot status code success to and no content. So we will not getting any content. So once that it is get deleted. So this is very end-to-end journey, and we can see the demo of delete, how to call a delete. So given delete, if you have any headers mandatory or authorization code, so headers you can provide here like this way. But right now authorization code you can provide authorization and the token value from the first API. So this is a way you can pass a value. So just like we fetch the ID, so you can fetch the token, just pass the access token or the path, JSON path to fetch those things. So this is very small. Let's execute it. Okay, so we got the error. We'll see 82. Okay, format dot ID we passed it off. Let's run it again. Okay, things are passed, and you can see the put. This is first one is for the post call. This is request, it get created, and this is a response here. Then the put call, we are updating the body. Why it is printing 2 times? Let's see. Okay, log all body. Okay, we put 2 times, so that's why it is printing. Fine. And we didn't add the log also, that's why you are not able to see the log. So let run. So you can see at the runtime the ID is getting fetched. Again, right now it is for 266, and next run we will see how those things. So 266, and now it's 328, and now you can see the delete call. We didn't add it for the response, so now put get 1 time. Cool. So that's it for today.